Incident Sevikavan, Mavedi Yaknakala, Nandi Yaknakala, Mama Otpal City of the Hane City of the Sam, the Yaknakala, Yaknakala again, a Kerikuashin, Pastor Joy Thomas, and Buddha. The Viadi Vodele, and Indian Jupiter and Pastor Marilar Jupiter, our is my Jupiter, Pastor Joy, our Mudu,
because of their earnest prayer, I got miracle healing and standing in your midst this morning.
Evan Duyan Pratibalak Washin, Prati Hari, City, Masuela Dua, other Visme Janak Suela Putgil Washin over here to the Asanam Penny City. Under Ukamana Javatin Mulamaha, Nan Punamadende, in Rungaku Mulbaha, at Pudamai Kunamaka Patavanaha, Nathan Rain.
I sincerely pray, God must raise up since consecrated servants of God from this land to fill up this year.
Many of the people are not made the very capital of the Vadas, in one's like to say, why might this thing Pratana? Katadami, in the Vitred thing, the Vitrubadia, the Langi Taste lady in a Predishtula, and a holy carrier to government and Katarino Kijabikaran.
As you heard their testimony, at this hour, let us rededicate ourselves to be united as one man and get ready for the coming of the Lord. Praise the Lord.
And can you come and accept this? So, I mean, once again, but a Sudan, but upper Samadana, Sadi, Padi, Situme, Pausamin, Magi, Sakshi, and Makaran. In the world, Nangal, Lord, my Kipatole, Urune, Poland, now Urumana Patolai, Katara, yes, Christude, Varika, Aita Padoma, Dupuri, in which Sakshi and Murita Padore.
Now, Pastor Martin is going to testify. After this, Pastor Luke from Coimbatore said.
Then Pastor Martin Sakshadarmati, the Pastor Coimbatore Madhyastari, Pastor Luke Sakshadarmati.
Pastor Martin Sakshadarmati, Olympic Coimbatore Madhyastari, Pastor Luke Sakshadarmati.
Praise be to God.
Then answer is the way.
I give all praise and glory and honor to God for giving me the honor and the privilege to know our beloved pastor.
May Primani Apostles and Haduna Agani may Warama, Avastava Lunisa, Mandavia Mahanseta Studio.
The Irimiana pastorally, Arinda Hulak Sandapate Tandadia, in the Irimiana Underwork, a lot to the ink and attention to the rain.
In fact, it was in the year 1978 when I had the first chance to come for the convention here in Colombo. It was at that time that I met Pastor Joy.
Colombo, Rasimara Sabagu, Pradamasta, Samashata, Wasare, may Pastor Hamuvi Mavasta, Madavina.
I had a theatre, and Kulupe, and the convention and Vandana Valley, the Arimiana pastorally, Mudal Murea, Sandika Pudia.
And I found him to be a very humble, compassionate, and a person who is really concerned about the welfare of others.
Neyatamani, Anukampa Sahadata, Anagi Subasidia Taka, Katuka Puteliko Washen, Metuma Hadunaga Hekiri.
And the Valley, beyond Thar Vule, Karsalude, Matroli Thurville, Kavanikunda, or Pastor, Arinda Pudia.
Not only that, I found him to be a dedicated servant of God who interceded and prayed for the welfare of others and who took the burdens of others as his own.
Ebamanatnove, Anagi Subasidia Taka, Onge Barat Tamunge Barak Kwashen Salaka, Own Venuin Devidunidri, Madhar Kamkarna, Putgaliko Washen, O Hadunaga Heki.
Other Matramella, Maturuli, Nalangalay, Kavanikandavara, Matuli Thurvigal Parangal, Inavo, other than the Sundam Paramaha, Kavanikandavara, in Alavanika Pudia.
And I found him to be one who boldly defended the truth, and he stood up for the truth and stood up for his own convictions.
Satya Ragagat, Satya Venuin Nagisita, Tamangi Pratipati Nudesa, Druda Nesakati Tukala, Pudgaliko Washin, the Hadunagat.
Avarinan, Satya Pak, Padhaka, Satya Tekandu, Urudiaha, Nikiravaraha, Tan Edilam, Sarian to Unanda Gondaro, Adaka, Urudiaha, Nikiravaraha, and Avari Gonde.
I found him to be a very meticulous person. In whatever he did, he made sure that it was done in the right and the correct way.
Epamanapnave, Idamadmakramanu Kula Hamadema Sidugala, හැම දෙයක්ම නිසි ලෙස ක්‍රමවත්ව විධිවත්ව කරනු ලැබිය යුතුයයි සෑම විටම ප්‍රාර්ථනා කළ කෙනෙක්.
அவர் ஒரு முதிர்ச்சியுடையவராக எதையெல்லாம் செய்ய வேண்டுமோ அவைகளை ஒழுங்கின்படியும் கிரமமாகவும் சீராகவும் செய்ய வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக உறுதியாக நிற்கிறவராக இருந்தார்.
And I found him to be a tireless servant of God who worked in the Master's vineyard in building up the lives of fellow servants of God and believers.
සහකාර දේවදාස දාසීන් සැදලිවතුන්ගේ ජීවිත ගොඩනැගූ ස්වාමියාගේ විධිවත්තේ සේවය කළ ආයක වශයෙන්ද බොහෝ කැපී පෙනුණා.
மற்ற சக ஊழியக்காரர் விசுவாசியருடைய அவர் சுவாவங்களை கட்டிய ஜீவியத்தை கட்டி எழுப்பதிலே அயராத உழைத்த தேவனுடைய திராட்சை தோட்டத்திலே பயராத உழைத்ததான ஒரு ஊழியக்காரனாக இருக்கிறார்.
He poured out his life as a drink offering in the presence of the Lord and served the Lord tirelessly for the past 44 years.
පූජාවක් වශයෙන් තමන්ගේ ජීවිත වැගිරි වතුර ගෙවී ගිය 45 වසරක කාලයක් තිස්සේ දේව සේවයේ තමන් ගාමිනා ජීවිතය පරිත්‍යාග කළ ආකාරය අපට දැකිය හැකියි.
அவர் தாமே இந்த தேவனுடைய ஊழியத்திலே தன்னை பான பலியாக்கி அவர் அந்த கடந்த 45 வருடங்களும் எந்த வகையிலும் அயராது சோர்வடையாமல் அந்த ஊழியக்காரனாக இருக்கின்றார்.
And today we can say that he was instrumental in building up many faith homes and improving many faith homes here in Sri Lanka.
ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ විවිධ ගෘහයන් ගොඩනැගීම සහ ගොඩනැගිලි අලුත් හැදියා කිරීම ආදී කටයුතුවලදී සිටිය ඒ බල මහත් කාර්යය ඉෂ්ට කළ පුද්ගලික වශයෙන් අද දින ඔහුගේ නම සඳහන් කළ හැකියි.
அவருடைய ஜீவியத்திலே நாங்கள் பார்க்கின்ற பொழுது இலங்கையிலே எத்தனையோ புதிய விசுவாச வீடுகளை கட்டினவராய் பழைய விசுவாசங்களை புதுப்பித்தவராய் அந்த துறையிலே ஒரு முக்கியம் வாய்ந்தவராக இன்று திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார்.
He lived by example for all to emulate and to follow.
අප සෑම දෙනාම ඉදිරියට යාම සඳහා මේ ආදර්ශයක් වශයෙන් සැලකිය හැකිය.
அவர் இப்பொழுது நாங்கள் எல்லாரும் முன்னேறி செல்லும்படிக்கு அவரை ஒரு மாதிரியாய் கொள்ளக்கூடியவர்களாய் இருக்கிறோம்.
As what St. Paul says in 1 Corinthians 11 chapter verse 1, be followers of me even as I follow Christ.
පළවෙනි කොරින්ති 11 පරිච්ඡේද 5 පද සුදුර පවුල් කියන පරිදි මම ක්‍රිස්තුස් වහන්සේ අනුගමනය කරන ලෙස මාද අනුගමනය කරන්නයි ඔහු පවසන්නේ.
முதலாம் கொரிந்தியர் 11 அதிகாரம் 1 வசனத்திலே நான் கிறிஸ்துவை பின்பற்றுவது போல நீங்கள் என்னை பின்பற்றுங்கள்